Welcome back to another video of Math Time School. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to pass any exam. So number one, being study. So I released a video called How to Study Effective 7 Tips How to Study Effectively. So make sure to watch that video. I will be making a poll with the video, so click on it and watch it. So studying is very important because because the questions that are being asked, you're basically reviewing for them when you study. So just remember to study and you should pass. Number two, being not to stress out too much, because you might be able to recall all of the facts, but in a testing environment you might be a bit skimmish. So you should before you go into the test, I think you should breathe. So you should do like some breathing exercise, whether that being like inhale for 5 seconds and then exhale for 10. So make sure to breathe before your exam. Make sure to stay relaxed during your whole exam, because in the middle of the exam you might be a bit anxious, or maybe at the end you might be a bit anxious. But make sure to, when you do feel anxious, just to take like a minute or a few seconds just to calm down, because stress can ultimately ruin your outcome. And I would advise you guys to, not stress out too much about the exam, like days prior to when you take it. So just stay calm and study. I mean, those are the two main things that you have to accomplish to be able to do well on your exam. So just to recap, right? So make sure to study effectively. Not just to study, but to study effectively, and to not stress yourself too much. A bit of stress is good, but too much is terrible for you. So make sure to relax. Not just to like study 24/7, but make sure to study. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you succeed in whatever you are trying to accomplish. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.